So today I will make you understand how to file an online RTI. You need to go to Google and type RTI online. You will be on the home page. Over here you need to sign up, and this is the sign up page where you need to put your username. I'll be just putting name, and after that you see first you need to put your username. It's already in use. You need to put a fresh one. Then you need to put your password, put a strong password, then confirm the password. Then you need to put the email. Please make sure that you put the email address which you have the access of, because you will be getting codes and details about your RTI on the email. Confirm your email ID. Then you need to select the user type, what kind of user you are, like you are individual or NGO or other organization. Then you need to put your name. Make sure you put your correct name. Then you need to put your gender, male, female. Then after that you would be putting your address. Please make sure you can put your home address, your office address, and put down your address. I'm just putting it as Delhi, but you have to put your full address or your office work address. Then you need to put your pin code. Put your pin code in the column. You have to put your own pin code. Then you need to select your state. Please make sure only Indian can file RTI, so you have to be an Indian to file an RTI in India. Then you need to select rural or urban. Then you need to select your literacy, that you are above graduate, below graduate, or you are illiterate. Then after that you need to put your phone number. Please make sure you put the correct phone number, because in case you forget your password or any other information would be sent in your mobile number, then you put the code, and that's it. Click on submit, and you have successfully enrolled for the online RTI. And after this you would be getting the email on your email ID, and you would be getting the activation code. The moment you retry to log in, it will ask you for the activation code. You need to put the activation code. The moment you put the activation code, your RTI would be activated, and after that you would be logging. Then you need to put the security code and click submit, and once you submit, you would be on the page from where you can start filing your RTI. So here is the page. Now there are lots of options on the top. You see submit request, submit first appeal. You need to click on submit request, then you need to read it, and you need to select on submit. And this is the most important part, like it shows you like select ministry, which ministry you need to file an RTI. If you are concerned about some police organization, you need to go to home secretary or home office, and after that below down you have to select the department. And we will explain you how you have to file the RTI about this, but even like you can simply file it. And after that the applicant below is below the poverty line. You need to select no, and there will be a fee of 10 rupees which you have to pay for the online RTI, which you can pay online. This is for the online, and we will teach you how to send the offline RTI as well in our next video. If you like it, please mention in our page, and we will make further videos. And if you have any issues, even you can submit there, and if we consider, we will file an RTI on your behalf. And after that that's it. You need to put your query one by one, make it precise, and don't put so many questions in one. Just put one by one questions and you'll get the answer. Then put the security code, and that's it. And after that you will be on the page to make the payment. Internet banking, select pay, and after that once you make the payment, like this would be the online payment page. You make the payment. Once you make the payment, then after then that's it. Like a new page will pop up like this. And once the payment sometimes this comes up, but you don't have to worry about it. Once the payment is success, you can log in, or you can click here to go back to the home page. This is the home page of online RTI. Again sign in. You will see like here, yeah, exactly. So registered, there is one RTI has been filed, and this is the RTI by me, and RTI request received, which is on 23rd of 4th 2020. And after that you will get a page. Yeah, this is the RTI page. RTI request received on 24th, and if you want to take a printout, you can take a printout, or let it be here. Once the information the department will submit the information to you. Thank you.